Y'all want to hear something funny? Y'all see this? It's a Challenger, by the way, okay, with a HEMI in it. Now, this customer seemed to think they have the infamous HEMI tick. No, guys, it's not no freaking HEMI tick. Let me get in this car and show y'all exactly what is going on. This is one of those ill-advised customer that read too much. Push that button right there. Here's your HEMI tick. Oh my goodness, that noise, ladies and gentlemen, is coming from in here. Likely because I pressed the recirc actuator. That means the recirc actuator start operating. Okay, it's obviously coming apart internally and making that ticking noise, clicking noise. Okay, that's not uncommon, guys. That's a common problem. Now, will that be covered? Because they thought the engine is covered, but there's no engine problem, guys. I gotta fix this recirc actuator. Y'all see that? Yes, this is a HEMI, guys. I'm getting ready to fix the HEMI tick. Yes, guys. See, I remember the video I uploaded the other day where I told y'all it's not actually a HEMI tick. It's a ticking noise, but it's not coming from the freaking engine. In fact, let me show y'all. Right there. Y'all hear that? Yes, guys, that is this actuator. In fact, let me take this door off so y'all can get a closer look. Guys, I got the glove box, as you can see. Now, let's take a look down here. See if we can get this thing to tick, because all you want to do is feel around. Here's the recirc actuator door. When it activates, it actually make a ticking noise because it's binding. Where is it at? Right there. All you gotta do is feel it. You feel it? Yes, I feel that. That is coming apart. Now here's what I got. Brand new Mopar, guys. I heard Derman make actuators, but we don't do that Derman crap over here, guys. Mopar, no car actuators, all right? Let me go grab me. It's only 2 screws holding this. Real easy to do, guys. I got work to do. This is the reason for the HEMI tick. No, guys, not a HEMI tick, all right? This is what was causing the ticking noise in that Challenger, all right? The customer thought it was the HEMI tick. Here's the recirc actuator door. When it activates, it actually make a ticking noise because it's binding. Right there. All you gotta do is feel it. You feel it? Yes, I feel that. Already replaced this. What I'm gonna do now, see these little tabs? I'm gonna go inside here, guys. We're gonna do some investigation and see what we can come up with. Let's open this thing up slowly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, y'all see that? Got a bunch of gears in here, guys. Something is noisy and stripping. Let's dissect this situation. Take a look at that gear. All the teeth are on that one. Uh-oh. Y'all see what I see? Uh-oh. Y'all see that? But yeah, so when this motor will activate, I guess this right here, this gear right here, tick, 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 tick. Yeah. So it probably could have just replaced this. No, but we don't do that. We replace the whole actuator. All right, guys, this is your HEMI tick, man.